calm down, shaman, just relax, make we yarn. I come here to calculate what you want. Insta before, yeah. Enjoy my life because I come live from the back. I see you live one-on-one so that me and you go follow vibe. How far you, G? You look fresh on this your blue top or black top. You want to start with me, just respect, cause this is my flow, them they record them and everything I non-stop. So once, first listen, you learn words. You look nice with your jeans and this your fan palms where you wear, looking fresh like bam bam. Make you no collect person girlfriend for this one where you come. So if you see fine girl, brother, you calm down. Hi ma, you don't look me with your side eye now. You fine now with your you wear pen now. I like the fact you look sexy. But make I no carry my own disturb person. Let's move closer to the guy on the side. After my guy your side, link up with you and banish on side. Hello man, waiting you said they sell. She be na shisha. Oh that girl I tell you say I been the like na shisha. See how she fine, see how she set. Don't they make me the sweat because she hot. With this a black shirt where she get. It didn't sweep me for my body. See your face like everywhere. Even they are there for dinner. You are they see there my dear. Don't go do me they no sack you. Cause this my freestyle when I they talk you go they knock you till they catch you. Look, make I just move on. They give them the vibe as I put on my groove on. No go sell the shisha for free because you know you sabi and I go really person. Oh baby, come and down, shake your body up and down with your wife. When you wear you fucking put it down. Come on the nose mask, make her see the face if you find. Oh my God, see the beauty where she carry it you find. I can't wait, make I talk to her. I first sight you. Make I walk up to ya. You look sweet, sexy, classy, flashy, and you say done the tickle this man she fancy. Hello, can I just get your number 080? No be my phone, won't be this. I beg this phone I borrow. Why you be doing me on the side? Come close, make me yarn one-on-one. Are you married? Are you single? Who be the guy we don't they like you? Make her follow your number, maybe later. People they want us on the inside, make we meet them. I say make her come on the side, make her come greet man. Don't be shy, baby. You can be nice, baby. I mean, you don't believe yourself, say you too fine, baby. And I just survive, money no do. Everybody they hustle because money no day. And I make you don't they chop bread. As you they chase bread, they make you get head. So future go get head. Don't be worried, my brother. Waiting you they chop people feel no get them. And one day you go get them. And one day you go get them. Like, oh, Madam Alpha, shake me. What's up? Waiting need the sup now. This one where you see that now only got the chop now. You for order something, make you the jollof now. Why you stingy? You supposed to pass the law. She dey lie because you pass for her. Oh Lord, why women they lie like this? Now some women they do with all their chicken things. Madam, come close now. You say where they go far, be you know I'm flows bar. I like slim girls, sexy, but see as you they dance like say you done there for the club now. Maybe later we go enter with us, we kill us. So that all of yes, maybe no feel us, go see us. I like your dance because you looking serious. I go video make your life a day luxurious. See your customer, I beg you no show. Make you go meet and sell market and get rabat. Cause everybody then they find you know. Now life is style and I don't have to go, so what's good? Let's go, let's flow, let's rap, let's vibe, let's flow, let's flow. Hey, make I just talk to this sexy mama for here. Hello mama, how are you? You looking like you lost my hair. Waiting you define, make I carry you for hand, go over there. You want buy clothes for your daughter or your son waiting for here. I mean you they look for somewhere you go withdraw money there. I just say make I say hello. Oh yeah, what are they go? I don't the money, I just give you.
That's fucking lit. That's round one. You get me? That's round one.
It's still a good. It's still a vibe. It's still a get it. It's still a vibe. These people look like say them too serious. No, avoid the people who look too serious. Avoid the people who look too serious. Make us talk to the whitey. They might not like me. Make us just keep them. Focus on my ganges. Make us focus on the Ninja people when I don't see. Cause the freestyle with my body, it be like chance 3. See how she they dodge us. Later she go love us. You know say now them where they like fresh bubbles. Now them where they form, they still like some block us. Later their friend go like us, then go block us. Focus on the people I they see. Focus on the people we they see. focus on the niggas we dey see now who be this way I dey see. Make I talk to one of these I beg. Make I talk to my fellow guy man. Hi man, Alpha now, what's up my man? Chop 5, you dey chop life with your nose mask. This one where you dey avoid me because I no get high man. Me and you be guy man, I know they like man. I just say make I stop you, shake you as you said that my man. Where you dey go, waiting they sup, how you dey be? If I say make I join you, make you buy 1 or 2 for me, you no go through because of say I no get nash and get body. But no shaking shot, I no say it's sure for you. So just go chop your life, enjoy. I say make I dump small freestyle, make you just start to see.
For you!
Shebi Abad Abi. Somebody like me where they rap supposed to blow Abi. Somebody like me where freestyle they give you vibe. Where bust your head just one-on-one like this is supposed to don't blow Abi. On that they go no worry, I don't stress you, but God you to letting me to stress you. Cause I catch the vibe. Everybody for they catch the vibe. Alpha, wetin dey sup una dey for? You dey wonder wetin I carry for body as I come. Na freestyle I just carry, no be like say you go form. Mommy come, no see me like a monster come dey run. You go stand, make we yarn. I'm your son, I be man. I say make I just come around, say hi as a man. Alpha, how you dey? How today they go for the business? You dey make money okay? I be money no today, no worry tomorrow go day. If you money no to come, you go still say God na go day. Guy man, this one you too serious. Come dey fumbles. I gotta calm down, cause last you go fumble. Just chop life, relax your shoulder, no raise your muzzle. All of us for this life where we dey na just dey hustle. Hello to the lady on black with your eye way just dey shine. Be like say she fine if she comot her mask. I for like see the full beauty. If I no see her face one-on-one, I swear I feel go feel guilty. She dey for her workplace, she go say I don't craze, but I just dey vibe sharp. Me I know they look face. I feel entertaining 1 or 2 if you no mind. That's last, so guy you understand. I'm money all of us define. Can I just go in? I feel buy 1 or 2. I feel just buy something. I get money, don't think that I'm broke too. I go buy, wetin you want make I buy? I go buy, I won't buy phone pouch, I go enter because still I go buy. Wetin dem dey sell when I go buy? I go price, I go buy. How much wey dem dey sell am I no go buy? I can afford this and this and this and this. But money no plenty, so I go think like this. Oh gosh, how much be this one? And how much be this? That's 555. This one you go fly me to Dubai. I need something like 50k when I go use for my day for night. Make I go that way to that corner. 50k. Oh, which one be this kind of phone? Explain the phone before I buy. A020s. Which one be that? Explain on my guy. Samsung.
3 gig 3 gig RAM, 32 gig storage. It's 5,008.
Okay, make it no be like say I no petrol nice. I been talk say I go come inside and buy 1 or 2. Make it no be like say the thing I tell my guy in a lies. Package am for me, bring the POS, make I pay. I just stay serious, I no joke, you know say I know they play. I found my guy, what's up?
Part 2.
So, who they bring the payment? Make you bring the team, make I just pay, make you move on. Look, money their account, so they think you say now 55 words. 52,500. Waiting bring the 500 on top of 52. Add the 500 go add up. The 2 no to add up, but add and make I just pay up. Alpha sister, as you see me, you know to lock up. No man your older sister, wait you see me first, they lock up. They fuck up. I said no to know what's up. I better bring my wallet, make I pay up. I get like 2 ATM for inside of my pockets. Bring send it, where they write Mastercard, money go full am. Alpha, give am, make you feel am. Money go dey put am for your POS, my pin. I go type am, big card, I go swipe am, big girls, I go like am. Big phone, if I no like am, tomorrow I return am. She don't depress am, she no go make mistake. Omo this one na 3 by back, I just give and take. What you give what you get. 0814, na my pin I be that. I don't type am, I don't buy am. Samsung suppose sign man. From freestyle I come shop, I don't buy one. Something wey boys they buy for black market for my wall. I come on a mall, come buy. See how she dey smile cause she like am.
Let's go!
I buy am, na because of the way you smile man. I make her come inside, say make her come recognize am. Because I do is been they sweet my body, they sweet my body, they make my body do me somehow. Hello mommy, what's the name again? So that maybe when I did less busy, I can come again. You say it's what? Didn't pay, I don't pay, I didn't play, I didn't take it. I said tomorrow I don't come again. Hello mama, what's the name? Say hi, my name is Dan Dizzy. What is your name again? Kimmy. Kemi, he pay me say if you go, make me your husband, come they call me your Ifemi. I no go like make you come see me like this, come they blame me. So if you collect my number tomorrow, make you they text me. What the phone which I don't pay for, who they collect them? I no go find them, cause later I go sell them. Because the hustle with the hustle like this. Because the hustle with the hustle like this.
Let's go.
We go chop like that. That is my vibe, man. You did not smile. I don't like your style, guy. Now money we define. And I could come by. Don't be say I can't deform as a guy. You said go see your fellow guys smile. Chop vibe. But later after hustle for the night, chop life. If you get side beat, call up for phone cut right. You know, all they do like say I use suffer pass. Now you must pass. Nobody you go make money pass.
Let's go.
Shout out to everybody.
His name is Dan Dizzy. Dan Dizzy. I don't collect your phone.
I don't collect your phone. Should I collect receipt? 85,000. A young boy will get this kind 1,000. Police go to stop am, pulling down trousers, saying a scam man. Me I no be that kind man. I be legit hustler. This one will not take me to Dubai. And I make a no buy am. When I go to buy original iPhone, I go buy. Let's leave the Samsung for the small songs with the sing song. I don't buy one for myself, make I use God. No, I know they talk I make it sweet you. If I talk I finish your man, nobody go beat me. I like my phone the way it is, but I patronize because I did for Samsung office today. Maybe if they make me ambassador, I go buy the expensive one. I buy where my hand reach, they make me I pick one. I go pick one, leave one. But when then they do promo, they for say buy one, get one. But I got one, didn't get one. And I Listen. My name is D-A-N-D-I-Z-Z-I D-I-Z-Z-Y. Dan Dizzy your guy. Dan Dizzy that guy where you supposed to like die. Dan Dizzy that guy go make you tell your guy bye bye. That guy where they freestyle die. That guy where you go to tell your friends about till bye bye. You want to know what's up. You want to find Dan Dizzy. Type my name, baby. Should I type it for you? Or will your boyfriend be angry with you? I press your phone. Let me take it just D-I-Z-Z-Y. That's the name, guy. See how I don't type and find me for Google. I plenty. Opo, pocket can be empty. You see how she accepts me. She no shank me, and her body tempting, and she's really friendly. That is your mom. Sorry, mama. I dey talk to your daughter for your front. No be my fault. I dey see the kind of thing for her front. Now God bless am. If I get time, I no go stress am. If I get time, I fit just break up with Vanessa. My girlfriend to an ex just for her. She no go tell me yes sir. She go they call me her friend now. We go be like 5 and 6. I go buy am things. They catch her cruise. She go catch my trips. They lie like this. Let me leave her for now. Make you no go feel say men has come because some of us they lie like this.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I got
bye.
What's up? Oh, I know they smile before when I become the smile for me because you yes say I buy 1 or 2. I don't go talk to you.
This is what?
Hi mama, look is so fly mama, come mama, no the phone mama, you get boyfriend me, I know nana. You go end in tears if you no come back. When you break your heart, you go still run come back. Diamond they secure your money. No worry, I go take a number later. She go leave you one, you know, go collect money. What's it? I be so guys, I'm about to go with all the slow. When I drop, say as they stand, they just go watch them position. They want they know waiting they stop. Now me, wave daddy, they freestyle. Now me they cap. I go carry any rapper one. I swear to God, now handicap, put the cap. Give me back a snake, I back to what they see them. But focus the camera for there where they get women. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, only me. I swear to God, they go sweet if all of them marry me. You know, start me. But after today, for your head, you not go carry me. And then they frown. Why you frowning? You gotta smile, so why you frowning? Hello, hi, top 5. You said, why you gonna do like say you no go like guy? Keep me and find that. Come on, my foot, I see your face. Don't be shy, I like the fact. Top 5, what's the name again? Like, what's the name again? Hello, I can make you scream and make your to sweat and make your backside to relax like that. Let's keep
Yo, do something with my name, Peng.
Let's go. Shout out to my nigga Peng. Peng. When he make a step, bang, dang. No be skippy something or speedy something. This na money something. If you know no Peng for Twitter, on the long thing.
Oh,
Let's go. Let's look for some paintings. Bang man with some. It makes sense.
Whoa.
You know, go make sense if you and what girls they run things. Bang man for paintings. Two of them are the same.
Let's go.
Let's go. Where we want to.
Anywhere.
When I decide there, where they talk to that girl too. Be like saying her mother, where she and her follow shoe.
Okay.
But I no go try can make it no be like Golo shoe.
Okay.
I just want somebody serious. Somebody wey go take me serious. Way in life go change, come become so luxurious. Somebody wey no go but they do shakara for eye. Cause I dey see her for her eyes, say she fine. I dey see her for her eyes, say she fine. But na market she dey say and she smile like. It go make sense if I stop by or make I just walk past, mind my business as a bad guy. But you know bad now, make I just stop now. What's up, mama? How are you? Waiting this up now. You won't buy Mary Kay or which way? May Berlin for New York or yeah, now which way? How much will be everything? Whether me I go fit pay? It's too expensive. Tell me now, waiting this up. How far? What's good? Waiting now they sell for here, make I know. If one of my side chick go like I make her feel buy and go. You don't want to talk because you say I know if you afford and cost. I don't decide for here with you and all of us. No, tell me how much way you be a bit. Mom, she don't worry. I just really want to pay your bill. Go down and 10 million, 5 million, no worry. Just put them on me. I know you broke nigga. I get like small money, like 2-5 day account. How much be the amount? How much be the amount?
How much is it? How much is it? He's asking.
What's up? Tell us 2-5. No be 2-5. Just tell me how much make I pay. I get the whole price. 2-5. I like this girl voice, she too nice. And the way she just dey talk, I swear she too wise. Who want my ATM? I want to fast but must make it no reach 8 PM. After I pay this money, I go be your MCM. I won't collect your mobile number, the MTN. Don't follow this empty man, we go to wine you from their MTN. I just want me and you to just stay one-on-one. Where the card? Where the card? Put them for the place, I beg. Pay for mama.
Let's go back to
press back spin, make I press my pin, make I pay something. Yo, see how she dey smile cause she fine. Yo,
start out of just things for people, man.
I buy things for girls that I like the mama cause she see me gon start to catch my vibe. You know me and her say be like say we be look alike. If you get up that way they 20 something, that na my type. She dey sexy, looking classy, flashy. I know you carry her play hanky panky. If I shoot your daughter nice, later nice, you thank me. So mama, hello, what's your name again, my lover? You look sexy when you know they work. I say I go like collect your number. What's up, my nigga? Top 5. Allow me to focus on the woman, brother. I know they chase my follow man. I'm only for Alpha. Baby, Alpha, what's the name again? What's your name again? Sandra. Resemble my ex, Cassandra. Her backside is big like Panda. And I like to chop up all night like Kanda. Can I stop trekking, put you in a Honda? Come out you from mainland, carry you go island. You know see I my man. You go like collect my number too, cause she be guy, guy man, they find you. Why you tell her not to give you number? Now why you they pipe you like a broken plumber? I beg say we can I pass your digits so that me and you go reason later for the evening. I think carry you go one night bar for night. Then for night me and you go feel just come polite.
Break the transmission.